Okay, this morning we're with Betsy Carlson, and she is coming to do our creative quilting at Inspired to Sew. So I'm real excited to talk to you, Betsy, about what exactly, like what are some of the things that we're going to cover, because people are coming and saying, I really hate machine quilting.
Yeah. Oh, no, don't hate it, because you know what? That's where you're worried about what you do, and this is a judgment-free zone. You're going to come and we're just going to have fun, okay? This is about trying different shapes and things. So if you're coming, we have 2 sessions, and one, if you already own one, then I'm going to take you into the firmware and really explain to you what's hiding behind that little house icon and that gear thing, and how you can customize your machine, because just like we have total stitch control on a Bernina, we want you to be able to control how your machine is set up. So that's going to be for the owners, and for those of you who have been wondering what it's like to sew in a Q20, you're going to get a big 36 by 44 quilt sandwich, so you can really experience pushing that through the machine, experiencing the magic of the stitch regulation, because we have 2 stitch regulators built into this machine. The first machine on the market to have it in a table mounted long arm. And this is a long arm, even though it's in a table, because it's over 18 inches, it is considered a long arm. So it's your first step in, and it's going to be an easy transition. You've been used to moving that quilt under the needle, and now we're going to give you all this beautiful space. We're going to give you 20 inches of space, all this lovely LED lights, and we're going to have a great time.